Today we're looking at the API that can add an image to an image at various locations, and it can be done repeatedly so you can have multiple images added to any image. Right, so today we're going to look at the different code using few popular languages. Here's a video illustration that we're showing that can be accessed through the PDF. So the languages we're looking at is PHP, Python, JavaScript. And the function is to add an image or logo to an image. The response gives a status, error code if any, and the response is a URL to the resultant image. First example we're going to look at is the PHP. So the payload has several entities. You have the QR path, which is the first image, the host image, magnified from 0.1 to 1 is the size of the image you embed. Translucent if you want it opaque or clear. Pick hold, you use the default 0.4. Image position X and Y, the coordinates is from 0, 0 to 10, 10. The accuracy, leave it at 3. Logo path is the image to be added. Contrast offset, we leave it at 0. Clean space, 0 to use the default color of the logo image, or 1 to make it opaque. Luminance factor, we can leave at 1. The space color is if you want to change the space of the added image. In this case it's black, and if you want it white, you put all F's is in hex. And then if you want to use grayscale, you can change 0 to 1. So you execute the REST call and you get a response. We'll show you the JSON string return, the status, error code, and the response, as you see, is a URL to the image that was created where you embed one image onto another. And here's an example of the host image, which is represented as QR path as one of the attributes in the payload. And this is the image you want to add to the host path, which is called logo path attribute in the payload. And here's the resultant image with white space. You can see the image embedded in the top left hand corner. Then we can embed the image with black opaque in the top left hand, and then we can change the placement. Now we're going to see the same example but in Python. Same payload, same Rapid API key that you get from your subscription for your account. A post call and a JSON encrypted string. So we're going to issue the call, this API call, and print out the JSON decode string response. So we also have JavaScript, the payload that is JSON encrypted. Same attributes for the variables in the payload. Same Rapid API key for your subscription for your account. You say the send, and you get a response from the event listener, and it's echoed to the console. And then if you wish to try the product, you can go here to the Rapid API link, and the link is in the document.